climate and adaptation. In my last video, I have already made you understand that adaptation in polar regions. In that video, I explained about polar bear, penguins and migratory birds. Today's video, I am going to explain about the tropical region adaptation or adaptation in tropical regions. In one of my video of this chapter of class 7, I have already explained about the tropical rainforest. Once again, I am going to give you brief explanation about this tropical region. Tropical region is the part or tropical rainforests are located above and below the equatorial parts of the earth. It is above the equator and below the equator. Temperature is almost always high, and this part is called tropical part. And the climatic condition of this part is hot and humid. Almost every day it rains. Every day it rains. That is why the plants which are found there are evergreen forest. The plants are evergreen. Always they are green. Plenty of plants and animals are found in that region. You can say that the tropical rainforest is rich in flora and fauna. Means variety of plants and variety of animals are found there. And they are having lots of habitat, plenty of food. In spite of that, among themselves there is a good competition, high competition for their survival. In tropical rainforest animals, there is a high level of competition for the survival. So what are those adaptations they have adapted to survive over that particular area? Just to protect themselves from predators and to survive in that area, they have adapted some special features. So one by one, I am going to explain all these features with the help of picture, at the same time written clippings. And these things or this video will help you not only to know about this tropical rainforest animals and their adaptation, but also writing in notes or making your own notes. So please see this video carefully. Adaptation in red-eyed frog. These frogs are found in tropical rainforest. They have a sticky feet, pads in their feet which helps them to climb easily on the trees on which it lives. They live on trees on the soft and smooth leaves. So they need to be sticked over that. Otherwise they'll fall down. So that is why their feet is sticky. And their red and bright eyes are very good in frightening their enemies. And their green color merge with the surroundings and helps in camouflage. They have a very good eyesight. They can see small insects from very far. And they eat insects as they are carnivores. Yes, red-eyed frogs are called carnivores animal of tropical rainforest. Toucan. This is the bird which is found in tropical rainforest. Their beak is very long and large, which enable them to take the fruits even higher branches of the trees which are very thin and soft. Their feet are adapted to grasp the branches of the tree firmly so that they can even climb over the thin and soft branches. The next animal of the tropical rainforest is lion. They are brown in color, you can see here, getting merged with the surrounding, and they have highly developed sense of smell. From very far they can smell their prey and they run. Their eyes are in front of their head which helps in locating their prey correctly. They are very fast runners. You must have seen catching deers in television, how fast they run and catch. And what they do, they prick their nails. Their nails are pointed and which helps them to catch their prey. As they catch their prey, they prick their nails over them and they eat. Next animal is lion-tailed macaque. It is also found in tropical rainforest. They have a silver white mane over their face. It's a unique character. And it starts from forehead and covers round till the chin. They are a good climber. They live on trees. And they are also called arboreal animals. They have a very good eyesight. Even they can see very small fruits between the branches. They feed mainly on fruits. So they are also called herbivores of the tropical rain forest. This is elephant. You must be knowing. They are also found in tropical rainforest. They have a very big ears, long trunk, and very strong feet. Their long trunk helps in picking up food, smelling, drinking water, carrying loads, and you must have seen long pointed modified teeth called tusks. These tusks help in tearing the bark of trees and eating. They have a large ears to catch even light sounds and to fan in hot and humid climate. And they have large round feet to carry the big weight. I hope you all understand this chapter and the topic adaptation in tropical rainforest properly with the help of pictures and clippings. You know this tropical rainforest found in India in the Western Ghat and in Assam. It is also found in southeastern part of Asia, Central Africa and Central America. Means some of the part of Central America, Southeastern Asia and Central Africa found in this tropical rainforest. And these areas are also having plenty of flora and fauna. So thank you all of you. If you like this video, please write the comment and subscribe and wait for the next video of the same chapter. Thank you all of you.